one of the reasons I'm smiling so much is that I'm noticing my shadow down here, which is really cool. I've actually never acquired that shadow in my previous recordings. So I want you to notice the shadow when I do open and close and see how rounded it is. Do you see that? It looks like the outer parameter of a Tai Chi ball. And then when I open, it's expanding in all directions. Yes. And then when I close, you notice that it's not shrinking, actually. It's just almost sort of condensing. So we don't shrink down. And then as I expand, it's like the inside of the ball is expanding in all directions, and it's creating a broader structure to the outside of the circle. And that's really what should be happening inside our body during Tai Chi, is that we're imagining the very soft inside parts of our body expanding to our outer skin like a balloon equally in all directions. And when it does, it creates more and more structure to our body in combination to resilience. So, a very interesting little study of the shadow in my recording today, demonstrating expansion, internal expansion.